guys, Ryan Steer with the Move Me to Texas team. We're here in East Downtown today to meet with Tyler Humphrey, the founder of Bulletproof Physical Therapy, learn a little bit more about his story.
So my name is Tyler Humphrey. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and the founder of Bulletproof Physical Therapy. I see the majority of my clients at Facet 7 Fitness in East Downtown Houston. I also do some remote work at other gyms and clients' homes, as well as some online strength and conditioning programming. I've been a physical therapist for 7 years, and I worked primarily in the in-network model. And I got tired of not being able to spend enough time with my patients. I was seeing upwards of 20 people a day. So I decided to branch off and do my own thing, and I formed Bulletproof in 2020. The biggest difference between Bulletproof and your traditional physical therapy model is the amount of time that I get to spend with my patients. So the entire session is one-on-one with me, compared to the 10 to 15 minutes you normally see your PT, and the rest is with a PT tech or aide. I also am different because of the facility I'm in. So a lot of the clients I work with have higher activity levels, and the TheraBands and 5-pound ankle weights that you get at most PT clinics won't really cut it for them. So I have enough equipment and space and weights to move around and help you achieve those higher level goals. And I always say I don't want my clients feeling just out of pain when they're done working with me. I want them feeling better and stronger than they were before their injury. The name was pretty easy. Anytime I was working with an athlete, I would find myself saying, hey, I want that knee feeling bulletproof, or I want your shoulder feeling bulletproof. And what I mean by that is I want it stronger than it's ever been. And when you go back to the gym or go back on the field, I want it to be the last thing on your mind. So when it came time to name my company, that seemed like an obvious choice. So what I'm most excited about in 2021 are my in-person workshops that I put together. So I have 3 of them that I've set up. The first is a mobility workshop for weightlifters. So I do these at local gyms and CrossFit boxes, and we address a lot of the problem areas like shoulders, hips, and ankles that give a lot of that crowd difficulty. So we show them some drills and techniques they can do to help increase the mobility in those areas, as well as decrease pain when they're in the gym. The second is an ACL injury prevention workshop. That's a big passion of mine. You can lose 1 to 2 years of your high school or college eligibility with an injury like that. So there's a series of exercises that I show people, really teams anywhere from middle school to college age, that you do these exercises, and it's been shown to decrease your risk of tearing your ACL by 30 to 50%. And the last one I put together is a golf screen. So golfers tend to be tight and stiff in certain areas, and same thing, show them some drills and exercises, helps lessen their pain, helps them feel a little better after a round of golf, and they also hit the ball a little bit further, which everybody seems to like. All right, so again, I'm Tyler Humphrey. I'm the founder of Bulletproof Physical Therapy. If you're interested in working together or me presenting one of those workshops, you can find me on Instagram at BulletproofPT, or send me an email, tyler@bulletproofpt.com. One important thing to know, Texas is now a direct access state. So what that means is you can go directly to see a physical therapist without needing to go see your primary care physician or a specialist. And lastly, I do free consults. So if you have something that's bothering you, you're not really sure exactly what it is or what path you want to go down, we can sit down and talk about it, dig in a little bit, see what's going on, and find out a good path to get you back to where you need to be, and if we'd be a good fit working together.